This Headlines Today investigation will tell you why your daughter is failing to become the DM. This sting will reveal what stops your son from becoming the police chief. Exposed, are recommendations the easy route to becoming the DM or the SP? We tell you why you may not have been able to crack the UPPSC exam. It's caste over merit. In the civil services merit list, watch how marks are suitably altered, how results suit one particular caste. It is the most explosive sting operation, Operation Sarkar.
And unfortunately, of all the questions we posed out there, we have answers too. What we are about to show you will definitely shock you. The civil services examination commands a certain degree of awe. Cracking this exam is the dream of lakhs of students and their families. But what if we told you that you can crack the Uttar Pradesh State Service exams if your last name was Yadav? What we told you that the UP Lok Seva Ayog is fast turning into a Yadav Seva Ayog. Why we say so? Take a look.
The Samajwadi Party is more or less equivalent to Mulayam's clan. The Yadav family rules all the way. But it seems the Yadav surname rules the Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commission merit list as well.
अगर आप बेईमानी करना चाहते हैं तो फिर आपको कोई बेईमानी करने से भी हम नहीं रोक सकते।
ने कुछ पूछना है न लेना
कोई भी बहुत अच्छा बता रहा है, गलत बता रहा है, नहीं फिर भी बहुत अच्छा भी बता।
वो नंबर क्यों दिए, कैसे दिए, इसको कोई
अपॉइंटमेंट में गुंजाइश है, तभी तो आप ऐसा कर रहे हैं।
Not just MPs and MLAs in Uttar Pradesh, vote bank politics is giving birth to STMs and deputy superintendents of police. You heard it right. Those who crack the UPPSC exams today and go on to become DMs, SPs, commissioners and even DIGs and IGs in the future will have one thing in common: their surnames. Headlines Today is in possession of documents that prove how candidates belonging to a particular community are being selected for the UPPSC interviews. And it's smooth sailing even in front of the interview board for them. That's how the Yadav surname dominates the state civil services merit list. Take a look at this list. First read the candidate's name and then compare it with their interview ratings listed in the 5th column. Vikas Dhar scored 102 in his interview, while Himanshu Gupta got 115, while Ragesh Kumar Yadav shone at 140. Ankur Singh, Vineet Singh secured better marks in their written exams but couldn't go beyond 113 and 115 at the interview stage. Surendra Prasad Yadav lagged behind in the written papers but found a place in the final list with 136 marks under the interview column. For Amitabh Yadav and Maya Shankar Yadav too, their surnames helped them come out winners in their interviews, while the merit of general category candidates went ignored. The situation is worse in the scheduled caste category, where most candidates couldn't even touch the 100-mark figure. Headlines Today takes the lid off the fraudulent practices that infest UP's most prestigious job exam. They're playing with the futures of young students who burn the midnight oil, who toil hard and get through their written exams, but go missing from the finalists after their interviews. Headlines Today exposes how one call from Delhi and Lucknow alters names on the final merit list.
हम जानते खुद कि एक कैंडिडेट के लिए लामबंदी हुई दिल्ली तक, वहाँ से अनिल यादव को फोन आया, फिर उन्होंने ब्रीफ किया और उस लड़के का हो गया सिलेक्शन। हम जानते हैं
कर दिया तो इससे क्या होगा?
At the Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commission in Allahabad, even employees are convinced that recommendations are a sure shortcut to the UPPSC merit list.
IAS लड़का दिन रात आँख फोड़ कर पढ़ रहा है, आपके बोर्ड में गया, अब आप उससे क्या पूछेंगे?
कुछ भी वो बताया जाए जिस स्टैंडर्ड का आंसर दे जब।
Watch as in the most prestigious exam in the most populous state of the country, with the right recommendation and a suitable surname, an unsuitable candidate whizzes past you while your ward fails to make it. With Akshay Singh in Allahabad, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.
Well, these revelations will be heartbreaking if you are sitting for the UPSC exams, understandably so. All your hard work going to waste where caste is picked over merit. We have our executive editor in the studio, Javed Ansari, who's been tracking Uttar Pradesh politics very closely. And Javed, that's the question I want to ask you. Till now, it was quite understood, there was a murmur that this is how things functioned where Uttar Pradesh was concerned, and now there's actual proof.
Yes, indeed it is, and it's a very sad and sorry commentary on the state of affairs in Uttar Pradesh. Everything that could possibly go wrong for Uttar Pradesh and in Uttar Pradesh is going wrong. You have riots and now you have caste over merit. No wonder the administration is suffering, and no wonder the people of Uttar Pradesh have for several years now, over decades, have to suffer this kind of maladministration, because the kind of people who get there are not based on merit but on other considerations.
We're getting other reactions as well, Javed, at this point of time. Lakshmikant Vajpayee, the BJP unit chief from Uttar Pradesh, on the phone line with us. The question I asked you, Mr. Vajpayee, at this point of time is, what do you make of this? Caste over merit, and very clearly, we've got those documents which go on to show that how each time a Yadav has superseded someone who maybe is more deserving.
इस प्रकरण पर लोक सेवा आयोग के बाहर, लोक सेवा आयोग के विरोध में इलाहाबाद के नौजवानों के द्वारा बहुत लंबे समय तक धरना प्रदर्शन किया गया और पुलिस ने लाठियों से उस धरने प्रदर्शन को दबाने का काम किया। ये मेरी जानकारी में है कि चेयरमैन भी यादव, सेक्रेटरी भी यादव, और जो यादव अभ्यर्थी थे इंटरव्यू में उनको एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी नंबर दिए गए हैं, और एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी नंबर देकर उनको मेरिट में ऊंचा स्थान मिल जाए, जिससे कि सिलेक्शन में सुविधा हो जाए, वो व्यवस्था की गई है। मैं तो सारे प्रकरण की सीबीआई जांच की मांग करता हूं कि जिस तरीके से केवल यादव को, मैं उस बिरादरी के खिलाफ नहीं हूं, लेकिन क्षमता और योग्यता को यदि दरकिनार करके एक वर्ग विशेष के लोगों को इस प्रकार से, क्योंकि सेक्रेटरी और प्रेसिडेंट भी यादव है, तो उन्होंने ऐसा काम किया। इसकी सीबीआई जांच, और जांच के बाद जो दोषी उसके विरुद्ध सख्त कार्रवाई, जो ऐसी कार्रवाई जो नजीर बने और भविष्य में कोई साहस न जुटा सके।
वाजपेयी जी, इसके आगे आपकी प्रतिक्रिया क्या रहेगी? आपकी पार्टी की प्रतिक्रिया क्या रहेगी यहाँ से?
निश्चित तौर पर मैंने इस मटेरियल को उस वक्त इकट्ठा किया था और अब करंट मटेरियल भी मेरे पास आ गया है। 3 दिन बाद मैं लखनऊ लौटूंगा, मैं इस वक्त बाहर हूं, तब उसके बाद इस संबंध में अपने साथियों के साथ विचार विमर्श करके निर्णय लूंगा।
बहुत धन्यवाद हमसे बात करने का। लक्ष्मीकांत वाजपेयी, बीजेपी चीफ of the Uttar Pradesh unit, talking to Headlines Today. Clearly, we now have given you evidence, recorded on paper and on our hidden cameras as well, irrefutable proof that shows the Yadav domination, at least when it comes to the state services exams.
This Headlines Today investigation will tell you why your daughter is failing to become the DM, or what stops your son from becoming the police chief. Our recommendations, the easy route to becoming the DM or the SP. It is a shocker for every parent who dreams of their son or daughter riding a car with a red beacon on top. Headlines Today's UPPSC expose answers many such questions and poses more. We will expose every corrupt practice infesting the UP Services entrance exam. But first, meet Anand Shekhar Singh, who is a principal at a degree college in Allahabad. He is a member of the UPPSC interview board and is also an examiner.
Off the record, इंटरव्यू एक मेजर वो है जो आपके हाथ में, बहुत बड़ी चीज है जो आपके हाथ में। इंटरव्यू बहुत बड़ी चीज है।
मेंबर आपके हैं?
और मेंबर आपके हैं। आप ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड आप कोई डायरेक्शन पास ऑन कर सकते हैं
किसी भी उसको,
किसी भी उसको, कि भाई जरा साहब
देख लीजिएगा।
लेकिन
सर उसमें तो ये कहते हैं ना, कोडिंग होती है पता नहीं होता।
उसमें भी कोडिंग होती है पता नहीं होता।
हाँ, फिर कैसे कर पाएंगे?
कोडिंग किसको मालूम रहती है? आपको नहीं मालूम होगी ना। इफ यू आर ए मेंबर, आपके पास नहीं, आई एम द चेयरमैन, हम तो सारा कोडिंग डिकोडिंग हम तो जानते हैं। हम तो जानते हैं, अगर हम ये कराना चाहेंगे तो हम ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड ये भी आपको पास ओवर कर देंगे.
And so, this UPPSC interview board member reveals that the interview is the deciding factor. Members of the interview board are given details about the candidates, and a community-based list is sent up much ahead of the interview. Carrying a weightage of 200 marks, the interview is an important part of the PCS exam, and there is a rider for the examiner here. In case the examiner grants more than 140 marks, an explanatory remark is required to be furnished. And now, as one goes through this UPPSC list, the big picture gets clearer. From top to bottom, marks listed next to candidates belonging to the Yadav community range between 135 and 140, while non-Yadav candidates score under 110. The names are too many to be listed. The Akhilesh Yadav government was in power when the last state services exam happened. Results of the UPPSC 2011 exam were shocking. Among the 86 backward community candidates selected, 50 were Yadavs. And barring one or two exceptions, most of these Yadav candidates performed exceptionally well, scoring between 135 and 140 marks in their interviews. And like we pointed out earlier, even those Yadav candidates who had low grades in the written exams made it through the interviews with flying colours. And now it is time to introduce Mushtaq Ali, the head of the Hindi department at the Allahabad University, who claims to have interviewed UPPSC candidates. As our hidden cameras roll, Ali confirms that despite all attempts to maintain secrecy, recommendations always make their way through.
फीस में कैसे कर सकते हैं?
उसमें ऐसा है कि उसमें कोड जो होता है, कोड, उसमें नाम नहीं होता, लड़के की केवल कोडिंग होती है. अब वो अगर मान लीजिए मेंबर के थ्रू आप आ रहे होंगे तो आप मोबिलाइज कर सकते हैं. अच्छा, वो तो पहचानते तो है ना चेहरा. जैसे आप मेंबर हैं, आपसे शाम को हम मिले, आपसे बात हो गई, मान लीजिए आपके बोर्ड में नहीं पड़ा, इनके बोर्ड में पड़ गया, तो आप उनसे कहेंगे नहीं कि यार एक कैंडिडेट है जरा देखना. और अगर उनका कोई कैंडिडेट है तो आपसे कहेंगे, तो मिली भगत रहती है सब.
The picture is abundantly clear when you compare the average interview scores of candidates of all three categories. The Yadavs are the clear gainers, while the non-Yadav OBC candidates and the general category candidates fall short when it comes to UPPSC interview. But wait, if you think recommendations are helpful only during interviews, there is more, because candidates got a further push by scaling of grades. With Akshay Singh, Shujoy, Headlines Today.
Seamlessly, sinisterly done at whose cost? Well, those of you who are appearing for the UPSC exams. Joining us at this point of time is Ms. Rita Bhagunath Joshi from the Congress Uttar Pradesh unit. Ms. Joshi, it is heartbreaking. It is truly heartbreaking because caste over what you actually put together, what you study, nothing else matters. If you are a Yadav, you can crack it.
Well, it's a very serious charge, and if you have documents related to it, then it makes it graver. And I think it is very shameful for a organization, or rather for a commission which is supposed to act independently, to behave in a manner where it's pressured and it escalates the numbers of certain caste or communities. I think a very a high-level inquiry should be made into this. And as there's been an exposure in the PMT examination in Madhya Pradesh, similarly, if it is found that it was done on basis of on the basis of recommendations, or there was corruption, then it's a serious matter, and some head should roll. It is not acceptable. These are one of the best sought-after services, and if things like this happen, it's shameful, I think, and it requires utmost attention and punishment if proven.
Appreciate you joining us, Ms. Joshi, at this point of time. The question we also ask on Headlines Today News Night is this a symptom of how the Uttar Pradesh government has been running for the last years? We take you back in time there, when there was widespread anger against the UPSC chairperson Anil Yadav, when the Uttar Pradesh State Services 2011 exam results came out. Candidates claimed the outcome favored the Yadavs, especially in the interview round. Additionally, reservations were given at 2 stages of the state civil services exams, that is, the pre-qualifier and then the mains. Clearly, protests happen and then they are forgotten. Issues are put clearly on the back burner, and life goes on and the fixing goes on, as you can see in our special investigation right here.